Hey everybody, it's Deb. I hope you're all having a great day. I thought I would come on and do a real quick video of a work in progress, also an unboxing kind of. I tried to video this before, my battery ran out. So what I did is I actually started one of the diamond paintings, as you can see here. This picture is really cute. I do have some qualms about it. I'm not too happy with the actual canvas or the glue. The glue seems very slippery. If you try to move one of the drills to straighten it or to align it, it moves the others that are next to it. I did get this as a kit. There's a two-pack kit, so to speak, and it came from a company called Petift. That's the, let me see if I can get in camera here. Okay, Petift, and it's $14.59. I ordered it through Amazon, and the canvas has a lot of I think problems. Like maybe you can see it. The plastic was all crinkled. Let's see if I can hold it up so you can see it in the light. Yeah, there it is, all the way up the drawing or the painting, and it actually has caused some, I guess you would call them rivers in the glue, and I'm not sure. I don't think my camera's going to pick it up in this light. So, I mean, the drills are sticking, but I will definitely, when I get this done, seal it, because I'm not confident that the drills will stay in place. It's a beautiful picture. It does not give you an inventory sheet. I wish it did. This is the only key on the side of the painting. Very difficult, or kind of difficult to read. It's not the clearest. Some of the symbols, the 5s and 6s, are also very hard to distinguish, as well as the 8 and the B's. But all in all, I do like the painting. I just wish that the canvas itself was in better condition. Now the other one that came with the kit, I haven't really opened that one yet, so I'm hoping that canvas is much better. And that's right here. You do get the standard tray with a block of wax, some little baggies, and the pink tool with the multi. I think that's a 3. I've never used one of those tips before. All right, let's see what we got here. This is another snowman. I live in New England, and we didn't really get a winter this year, so I'm making up for it with some snowman pictures. These are full round. It's poured glue, and this one is starting to look like it's the same. Not as bad as the other one. Let me just see if it actually affected the glue. It did. Like you say, it's not as bad as the other one, but I can see some spots here. Yeah, which is really too bad. However, I'm still happy with the kits. I see some people do an unboxing of pictures from, like, say, the Diamond Art Club, and they look really beautiful. Hopefully I can get one from there my next time. The drills, now with the first one that I showed, I'm not running out of drills so far. It does look like I'll have enough to finish the painting. I'm getting low on a couple of colors, but I think I can get through. Not too much trash. And all in all, they are pretty nice. They do have DMC numbers, so I'm happy with that part of it. Again, this was $14.59 for the two of them, and through Amazon. The other one I got, I have not looked at that one yet. That's also a snowman. This, let me see if I can open it without my scissors. Yeah. This is the name of the company. Apomelo. Not sure. Well, I'm getting this. I want to thank those of you who have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay. This one looks a bit smaller than the other one. Again, it looks like it's poured glue. Again, it seems to have those lines in it. If anyone can tell me, because I'm new to diamond painting, so if anyone can tell me if that's normal, maybe I'm complaining about something that is normal. I don't want to do that. Again, there's no inventory sheet, just the key, the symbol key on the side. This one has, looks like 33 different colors. It does have the DMC numbers, and this is a full round as well. Pretty colors. And it comes with the standard toolkit. So that's my quick video today. I appreciate, like I say, those of you who have subscribed. I would love to see some comments if you have any, especially if you can help me decide whether those, I guess they're called rivers. I'm not sure if that's a river or not, because the camera doesn't seem to be picking it up. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone, and until the next time. Thank you.